Best website hosting. This is not a sponsored video. I'll give you some genuine advice while choosing the hosting services. Because if you choose any wrong hosting services, it will be very painful because I'll not share any links with you. It's completely up to you that which website hosting you're going to take. I will only share what is best for you, why it's best, why it's better, which is faster, and which is affordable. So I have three top things for you. Three top website hosting. The very first is A2 hosting. It's a world-known hosting provider. And if you're starting your website, if you're a beginner, then I would recommend, this is my third in the list, where you can get the shared hosting. You don't know how much traffic you're going to, generate. So I would always recommend to start with lesser, and this will cost you $2.99. Now if we go to the services, what exactly we can install it through WordPress turbo servers, but not SSD. 20x faster, it's fine. Easy to use and easy site migration. So if you already have a website and hosting and you want to migrate, they will help you with the easiest and the cheapest plan, which is $2.99. Now let's move to the second one, which is Convisio. Now it's pretty costly, I would say. It's $50 for a foundation. You can host single website, 10,000 monthly visits. Memory is lesser, 5 GB storage, 3x burstable. So if we compare with A2 and this one, I would go with A2 because it is providing very affordable price with the services and the faster performance. Now my top product is Namecheap, and you can buy it from wherever you are. And since it's not a sponsored video, you can just search it and buy it yourself. So I'll just scroll it down about the plan. Firstly, the Stellar plan is very cheaper, only $1.58, and you can host 3 websites and you get 20 GB space SSD. Now here I'm emphasizing why SSD is important. So when you host your website, there will be tons of users or less users will try to visit. So if you have a SSD server, it will be good for the loading. The page loading speed will be better if you have SSD. So my recommendation is to just go blindly with Namecheap, start with the Stellar plan, and later on when you gain popularity, you can go with the higher plans. I personally use Namecheap and I have never faced any kind of issues. Their customer care is better and it's really amazing. So you can get that. So if you have liked this video, please hit the like button and subscribe button. I'll see you in the next video.